I just went and got some drinks and snacks and stuff for the road for me and my lady. Finna get some gas right now, then finna go back to the crib. Pick up my old lady, wait for Tim to get to the crib. And then we heading to Florence to the show. I mean, I either work the nerves going to the show. Shit, my first show. I'm taking my project trip too. I done work hard for this joint. Spent hella money. Late nights, early mornings, working on this joint. Been through it all. It's gonna be kind of fun taking it out. You know what I'm saying? Meeting people, hopefully. Hopefully you can win an award. God gonna be on the side, so yeah. We'll be on the road soon though. Twin sliding all the way to the show. We 4 minutes away from that motherfucker.
So I brought the indoor award set today. So I've got top 30 that is going to apply to VIP, and I've got top 25 that is going to apply to regular show.
On the way back home now.